Hello, my name is Diego Solórzano. English C, alter ego. Let's go. Personal information. I am a disciplined person. I'm bad with to the system. Also manage this trip with other people and myself. I am an humanist. I have been able to adapt well of the circumstance, but also I value the person. Achievements. I have been like counselor and a spiritual and personal guide for the people. And maybe say they have been able to get out of my setbacks, situations, psychosocial and some problem personal. Traits. I have traveled in Tunja, even without time. I have ever traveled to the Medellin and other sides of Colombia. Memorable experience. I had been to perform my responsibilities white and metallic. I had been affected by bloods and communities about my habits. Then you have had done and think you might do in the future. I had won and met competence. I maybe elite reference had had done. I had never been able to delay and trying, and think you might do in the future. If a time I might write a book, they will make me famous. Thank you. Bye.